Welcome back to MS Live right here on MS24 TV with yours truly, Mac Moulton. And I had a great conversation with my brother, Elvin the Dawn, and he's out with a new project, The Red Genesis. You can check it out on all streaming platforms and add to your playlist. And I have my next guest in the studio. This guy is a vibe. He always brings big energy in the studio, and I have my brother Dikoo right here with me, bro. Because energy now the bus studio, yeah, na esronko. Edamufua say shoo. Timeni aje say wabaha. Last year, obai, my eating komo bebre, eating komo about music, wonyom, wo journey, how far waba. And many aje say wasa babiem. Akwaba.
That's it.
I'll say you drew quarter of the year.
Sure.
Style Ben, I'll bet describe year so far.
I love everything going on right now. Bibia is smooth.
Because energy need the energy as a voice in our form. Bit me amma muswa mamia.
And then the angasa say Ibiane shadan ko so what else.
I don't fast here na.
Capre
Bibia be fanya me tia.
Nkasa kura nkasa.
Won kwa wan wodin de.
Nyame adom. Enikure. So far the year the ede bibia do na ede. Because having a feature with Medikal should tell you, positive, I don't lie.
Nice. But you go straight to the point. Ahoya.
Yeah, Ahoya.
And no, actually saying.
Ahoya, I was a way back, and your way back, Pombusu. So therefore, I'm going to Ahoya.
Okay.
Champunya, champum, meaning I attempt.
Hey, and you said no so the babonyon. Hey, Dikoo kumio.
Okay. That's it.
Ahoya. Okay. Nice. But also on you know, ebu our titles no, I said you be am tin zamfa na pa ne ya. Ebu our titles ne hu.
No crap.
Into titles ne ya ebu a wo sheda adwene wo say oh, enyi am I there. Ma me fa title into so na me nya attention. Na ma fo ani mba nwom ne so ana asese because nwom titles they born my bro ma adwene ne menti ase so.
Because sometimes you plan this it just come. Everyone you get me? Okay. And people love it too. So we just
they just love the vibe.
Yeah, they just love the vibe. Yeah.
Okay. See, enyom no Medikal there no. Minim say enyom no A-Town they produce no.
Yeah, A-Town.
It's about say na ultimate meeting Medikal ni enya no wonyom we so. Because enyo obia na benya Medikal wonyom so. It's about say na unya Medikal. There na ma wo da sonko. And ma wo da ma unya Medikal wonyom no so.
I wouldn't say me sonko sa but
we are sonko. And the man kasa unya sonko. We are sonko. As far as we are nyom nipa bia da mu sonko. Enti me mbu hu abonfia me ne bia asema ameka no. Obi a wo hwe show ni bia MS Live. So wo hwe me abia wo bia nipa eni kwan se obu hu abonfia. It was something unique wo mu obi ani bi. Enti Dikoo wo bibi wo mu obi ani bi wasasi so. Nkwa na wasade
no. No pray. But it was true A-Town the mommy who Medikal. Yeah. Na me was studio. There be A-Town friends and member. Me buy na Medikal wo hono.
Okay.
Or record it.
Or
yeah. That's how we met.
It's a studio no like energy na vem na o di room na so tia na say wo ferry na say wo yedin. The person me hu environment say style na city.
O say top recorded there o say choke once na o share no. Now we see more like that's how we.
And wow, we jump in one you so na say.
Yeah, born and you na recorded that.
Okay. No why you na to that.
Full song.
Okay.
But yeah, but boy, you be churn out. Not time we knew him, so he just want to do something quick near.
Okay.
And the boy capre na ufili Ahoya. Or so we are not pay.
No one not pay.
Yeah.
Okay. But and you know, the person breaking it down, my although I check title, not check their title the meaning. But a person breaking it down, my and you na kasa echire saying.
This is how it means. Intimate dream, send your metal to in your my
Okay.
Or brana and tokwa. And so no na debi men so me come asin.
Okay.
Near me who still we got it.
Okay.
But then me tell say me nya adie na me peno.
Okay.
Enye obresa na me kan ka say my bro say then I just want to tell people say bibi edru ni nya ne peno.
Okay.
So we just have to keep going. That's all.
when you're there, but you have to keep fighting.
Going. Yeah,
okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I just want to talk to people.
And a capre part in here, like uni bibi will boot to man.
A story. On se unti mi ba ko pena on kasa me explaining to.
Okay. So we
could see you know what.
There are streaming platforms be
everywhere.
Ahoya. O pese unya better understanding and o pese o tinyum na see there actually. Because streaming platforms be ne kwatwe nyom no. Ne add to playlist. Ne enjoy. And Dikoo nyum be a streaming platforms be and so betimi atie no so account. We dey free promo na me yama.
Me that's you.
Okay. And medical jump on nyum no so na yeah. Oh, fine. Now, you know about Bontin, no. Say na come out.
I love the reception. I cost some kakran. And the energy is so high. Top to the support. It's crazy.
True. Yeah. Ain't advice Ben when you're free medical because you senior man who game and who you might be brain. I was what game for 7 years. Also, where she and you might be brave. They be I make say genuine one. We learn and unlearn.
For real.
Yeah. Ain't a future ben a medical senior man who gave me more amount feature me a short one joke captain so or yama a favor no de yama a bema ni mi aketo en san so ide
akona no
ain't a future ben or the amount will give me and a style ben a better to nyoma we betimi do that level.
So part of the Nobega say just keep doing what you are doing because you are talented. Because she I was here super. Okay. Super very super they are positive, you get me? So you just keep doing what you are doing.
Keep grinding.
And no pay. Yeah.
Okay. And say no. Dikoo dia when enkonfo bebre meet ya wa link up with a lot of artists in the day. Say when this wa do artists ben na opese won na yenyu. Nya won na yenyu ma obeka Dikoo me ni artist we ayanyum. Afi de makoma atomi yem. Eh obebre yo amachi dede yo kwadwantwi. Your artists bebre your legends bebre ho your sa akwade mu nyina ho. Artists bang now what that come out to say artists we de me nyan wo menyum so a
then your top 3 nya wo mu wanyu tell them there do
okay
nya wale nya sakode stone boy you see positive and nya ba ko so medical
when you medical it's only there
one side
yeah for real
that's it
but what to one am say be I try so be nyom so
oh me share than two one anomonsa but yeah Juma
because you're talented to say the way medical who ya mushia ya one na enyuma we jump was sana me show so be so or monitor or hwe enyuma we Charlie guy we very serious so more na very dope intimi who say there is no harm in trying so be reach out and now because senior man person when you be attack when you be jump who knows e be ochina bi ana next year March naturally O2 arena or perform we say ho it be possible
and no crap with time you all these things are full with time.
Okay.
With time, we'll get them on the song. You get me?
Do you believe in time and season?
Yeah, because the Jumane they won't mean perfect one and go see 10.
True.
One go see 10. The who?
Yeah.
We come better. You understand? And kakra, you get me?
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I feel.
Yeah. By the at times, we feel it say, and you na we because when you a vibe, when you wavy. At times, do you feel say we are underrated? Because who say your man now we no. Me artist be adi but mu say the awo ye no kofo bi o menya hype bi a me hu say actually Dikoo vibe ne style no de yenyom no chale o say anka o true standard bi. Do you feel say you are underrated and you feel like Ghanaians are not supporting the way you want them to?
And they support me. I'm underrating me. Maybe you una underrating me there.
No man,
because I've spent time with so many people. Spending time with Patoranking should tell you say underrating me. What you say? Yeah, and then you just Patoranking, but I just want to pinpoint some things which you maybe when I who me say me underrating me, they are cool vibe, but
Mankasa, don't put words in my mouth. You na agenda for me kase akwai sisi Mahmoud say Debbie me say nyoma na wo ye no me say me hu nkofo do on ma me hu say wo level na wo ye no me say one onyum ye wavy wo vibe wo nyina wan kan wan sam wo jump afiri ho me say onyum ye wavy onyum wo vibe na me hwe nkofo do on ma omundru wo level compliment omundru level
I say omundru
level but hu say level bo o ma o medru aka wo say utimi dru on And I make us say, do you feel at times you feel in a way because you're nipa? Who bet me I idea once actually we are talented, we vibe, energy nowadays, but yeah, but wait to me to level born my kachalika. Well, we say we draw that because you now you're a crazy music. Your song they vibe, we boys they vibe with it. And now when you wave here, want to mean your medical so we jump on so. So I say, want to mean your pato ranking. So I say I make an say, sa angle na me free ba.
So as the media me feel say underrating you. Dikoo is rated because Oba me friends and me camp everybody like Obi a home say like
yeah.
So that's all what I want. I just feel say abontin soon in the better me say Ahoya no.
Yeah.
No, you just have to keep doing. I mean that's it.
Yeah.
Other people only there. Normal like
so man no.
But normal vibes.
Yeah,
these are part of it. You get me?
Yeah, true.
That's
true,
it.
True. Okay. But Dikoo, in case like Senior Alcan, you have been in the music business for 7 years. You have seen the ups and downs. Like
me who shares you share. I miss. And a stone boy money idea.
Ups and downs. And me sure so we are independent artists. One now fan do BBR. And I'm sure say music. I know now you're in full time. Only BBR can music videos. Uko studio. Ubuki studio. And it's on your mind. Start being out the funding.
I'm just with the right people. Okay. Sometimes it's not about scanning. Okay. You just have to meet the right people
and build the right connections.
You get me?
Okay.
That's it. Yes, can because Kadi hasn't given to me better. You understand? Yeah. And yes, can when you meet the right people, you maybe one of it's going to be easy. I'll muji adiena we any dia. Yeah.
You won't conform also was
yeah, I have a lot of people.
Wow.
I mean, of what Chebis Kadian, yeah, they share.
Wow.
Fitimiti Copenhagen,
anyway, the Yamina candy parkumo.
That's how it works. Sana was say, because I was independent the soul. Yeah. Untimi, no matter what, untimi. Yeah.
So, Dikoo, on your mono, they say in the BBR has to do with streaming.
Oh, yeah.
We streaming through our ABR shows. In a year, or I mean, can say within a month, shows to do saying our obo.
Me both shows. Mean to me, can a month today. A month now more show and you mean and also but you'll be once about to us, you understand. Okay. By a both shows need
to sign a business in a day. Show community meeting.
But is there show come at TSM? What is it?
It at times with me call to how many months? Not shown by.
Oh, and yes, months as but it be me cock a cry like now on show and about them calculating months.
But I want to say and also a season. Send our case ABS beginning, say be a show no. I be or baby a boom dear to me but what was
oh yeah. Say holidays there they have go shows. Yeah, by all means.
Okay. The Yamba streaming side or no. Streaming or no. So I will check it or statistics are country band is streaming on your kese.
Ghana me
okay. Yeah. Into we check in the country band about Rama na one was say country so.
Maybe I am one yes we.
Hey, Dikoo.
Yeah. Not for me maybe I am one. Yeah. Just by first country be say
but it's good feeling but and surprising. Oh, okay, that's very cool. Okay. They say no, Ahoya ba. They say nyoma be na de tutu kwan mu. They say we drop a project and as singles na de be my back.
Oh, for now I drop a single which is Ahoya. Yeah. With time no. E be mu see e be drop another one now.
Okay. But no man to be mu ni enhwe ni.
Enhwe. Oh yeah, enhwe.
Okay.
Eguzu dwendwene.
Moto adwene. Yeah. Oh fine. Now then na onyom no 170 for TGMA.
Hey, TGMA, me say
oh, say Dikoo. Say or say summit because omu open say obetimi afile onyom. Nyoma wa drop last say obetimi afile na o ma check na bia category or so omo do o say fata e say you put no.
With time.
TGMA time and season now.
Time at the end. TGMA like this, positive. You throw on my big. Okay. And as well, at least a bit boost your brand, you understand?
And then I want now for 4 months. Artists Ben are routine for self per se or winning.
For nearing
a TGMA. Artist of the year because top at top on so.
With top at top. Oh, where they are no.
Okay. That means one shut down fancy hours, sir.
Hey, you fancy. Nina Kajumanu, you want a cast, fancy.
And no fancy.
I will be chow dear when you add the same thing like or appreciate you. I don't know, and a big in any way. Whether it's go award or then you. Okay. I appreciate it for share.
Okay. One thing so I didn't say music. They be one thing I did be American say. My name is down for 4 and I'm name Collis didn't come out. I did back when I catch on say they be talent is not enough.
Oh yeah.
Music goes beyond talent.
Oh yeah. For real.
Or fashion sense, or personality, or aura, or steez in your account. Dikoo fashion style sense no edamufua a champion e bia ni o fashion sense no ya unya inspiration ni free because edamufua because champion.
Oh yeah no clear e penta de entare de papa nti etimi nya kwen kra de betimi twa to so heavy.
The style ben na de kika boom because Charlie I know shit.
Normal lie. Yes, share near cause.
Yeah, okay, timeline is
for real. Sometimes we catch vibe from a whole lot of places, not just say a particular person you on your channel.
Okay. You make it your own way. Yeah. Make it your own style.
Yeah, but we the entire way the I'm watching a man mission.
Now show bear no.
We Larissa show no.
Okay.
We are quite shop one side and was here Dikoo and then they say to me two different things.
But Dikoo to me make bold statement too.
Oh yeah. Say I didn't. Yeah. As I'm no credit and to serve you, you can't bang.
But Dikoo me person me put a question be. Who say we a role model? We will be a man for betting a free or lifestyle and will be betting a emulate too. So yeah, me person me yet to say Dikoo. Who say we a role model a man for betting a free? Oh, there be say. Oh, anything I me busa say. But there, my first question na kastanship. Dikoo, say to say they are okay. You have had a lot of experience in music industry.
Oh, yeah.
7 years, and your small journey. Still, what does you now so? Obi show, obi tie wono, odi nya adwene satra. Obi tie wono. E boosting is my menye. Let me keep fighting. Let me keep pushing. So obi show. Na opese osua nyoma free o opese osua bibi free no opese o get it to level na e footwo be na de be man.
Just be yourself. Running the ya audio because emre ni nka so nya afi na obeye motwaza just be yourself. Yeah.
It is a ultimate me footwo say ya. That means you can be a role model
for real
to people.
Sure. Now only me am kuku me kasa keto. Kuku mu seven dey because you want to be like this.
Yeah. Just be yourself.
Just be yourself.
Okay. So Dikoo, where do you want to see yourself in the next 5 years?
Oh. I am so yeah, bobo shows and I'm on any.
Yeah, for real.
Bobby, TV, what he has here.
For real.
Yeah, GTGM, any.
No. Amen. I like the positive energy, my brother. Obi our person, Oman shoutouts and social media handles now.
Okay. Big shout out to everybody supporting the move.
Dikoo Patrick, I don't know.
Charlie, big shout out to everybody supporting the move. I be know how to do Dikoo Yaga Trapper Khan in the building, yeah.
Yeah, Trapper Khan. But Dikoo, before I wrap it up, what they say whole freestyle kakra. With my Ahoya, my freestyle, my energy, but feel energy, no.
Intimate Jenjine, Senya Metotunya my year. What Brana Yantoko? No, now David Beans make a mass mania, who is to be got. Keep it log, Namia dom, name tactics. If we fear cry, any capre.
Ajita. Yo, my people, great conversation with my brother, man, Dikoo, man. He's out with a new song called Ahoya featuring Medikal. You can check it out on all streaming platforms and add to your playlist. Guys, unfortunately, we have to wrap up on the show. You can follow us on our socials, MS24GH, hashtag MSLife. You can follow me as well, Mac_Moulton. Love conquers all. Catch you same time, same place. Peace.